What if the strongest response is nothing? What if the greatest power is silence? The Bible reveals a deeply hidden secret. Staying quiet can transform your entire life. It can make an ordinary person wise. Imagine this common scenario in your life. Someone insults you right to your face. Your heart instantly starts racing in panic. Your mind immediately prepares a sharp comeback. You want to defend yourself right now. You desperately want to prove you are right. But wait before you respond to them. Pause before you let angry words fly. Ask yourself one very important, life-changing question. Will my words truly improve this situation? Proverbs chapter 17 gives the ultimate answer. Verses 27 and 28 are very clear. The one with knowledge uses words carefully. Even fools are thought wise if silent. The Bible is not demanding fearful silence. Wise people know exactly when to speak, and they know when silence is stronger. Words hold the power of life and death. Proverbs 18 verse 21 declares this truth. Every sentence you speak carries massive weight. James chapter 3 describes the human tongue. It is a very small, powerful part. Consider how a small spark starts fires. A huge forest is set completely ablaze. The tongue itself is a raging fire. It can burn down relationships in seconds. Why do we struggle to stay quiet? Jesus answers this in Luke chapter 6. Verse 45 reveals a painful, honest truth. Out of the heart's abundance, the mouth speaks. Your words simply reveal your inner heart. A transformed tongue requires a transformed heart. You cannot tame the tongue by willpower. Proverbs chapter 4 verse 23 is clear. Above all else, guard your inner heart. Everything you do flows directly from it. If you fill your mind with deep anger, your words will eventually become very toxic. You must let God heal your heart first. Think about your daily life online today. Someone leaves a highly disrespectful, hurtful comment. The battle inside your mind is fierce. Your pride screams for ultimate, total victory. You respond quickly out of pure emotion. Suddenly, you are trapped in a war. One tiny comment has stolen your peace. It distracted you from your God-given purpose. Romans chapter 12 verse 2 is clear. Do not conform to this broken world. You do not have to join the chaos. That is why Proverbs 29 speaks out. Verse 11 delivers a massive, urgent warning. Fools give full vent to their rage, but the wise bring calm in the end. A foolish person releases every emotion immediately. A wise person completely controls their mouth. Not every false accusation requires a defense. Not every angry argument is worth winning. Here are 3 reasons wise people stay quiet. First, silence deeply protects you from regret. Proverbs chapter 10 verse 19 teaches this. The more we talk, the more we sin. But controlling your tongue is acting wisely. You absolutely cannot take spoken words back. A few seconds of silence is vital. It can save you from years of regret. Ephesians chapter 4 verse 29 warns us, only use words that build others up. Second, silence reveals what anger tries to hide. When you stop reacting, you start observing. You notice people's hidden motives and patterns. Proverbs 18 verse 13 issues a warning. It warns against answering before truly listening. James chapter 1 verse 19 adds truth. Everyone should be quick to completely listen. We must be slow to actually speak. We must be slow to become angry. If you pause, you see the truth. Third, silence powerfully protects your personal peace. Some people provoke you for a specific reason. They want direct access to your emotions. If they can control your emotional reaction, they can completely control your entire day. Silence firmly closes that dangerous emotional door. Exodus chapter 14 verse 14 promises this. The Lord will fight for you today. You need only to be completely still. Psalm 46 verse 10 echoes this loudly. Be still and know that I am God. When you are quiet, God is working. However, we must understand true biblical silence. It does not mean ignoring cruel injustice. It does not mean fearing the absolute truth. Proverbs 31 verses 8 and 9 command us. We must speak for the completely voiceless. We must defend the rights of the poor. Wisdom is defined as carefully disciplined speech. We speak ultimate truth wrapped in deep love. Jesus Christ perfectly demonstrated this holy balance. He stood before his angry, hostile accusers. Isaiah 53 verse 7 predicted his response. He was oppressed and very deeply afflicted. Yet he did not open his mouth. He did not need to defend his pride. He knew exactly who he truly was. Silence is the ultimate weapon of the secure. Only insecure people need to constantly argue. Secure believers let God be their defender. There were moments when he answered clearly, and moments when he remained completely silent. His total silence was never a weakness. 1 Peter chapter 2, verse 23 explains. When they hurled insults, he did not retaliate. When he suffered, he made no terrible threats. He entrusted himself to the righteous judge. We can truly trust God with our reputation. Galatians chapter 5 lists the Spirit's fruit. One of those beautiful fruits is self-control. So remember this the very next time. The next time someone openly disrespects you, pause completely before you type a reply. Ask yourself this one defining, crucial question. Does this moment desperately need my voice? Or does this moment deeply need my wisdom? The loudest proof of deep spiritual maturity is the angry response you actively withhold. Silence does not mean you lack words. Sometimes it means you are truly wise. If you are choosing wisdom over loud arguments, comment below right now and type this. I choose peace. Share this video with someone who needs it. And follow this channel for biblical wisdom.